This 2026 Grand Design Momentum 17 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features a DUSK interior, sleeps 5, water heater, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, LP detector, oven, microwave, air conditioning, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, Skylight, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum 17 MAV is 5,581 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.